Boys, Martin in here from Dublin. White Michael's out in the sun. I want to drink this bottle here for 3 people. First of all, Rubbers Tom in Charlestown. And 3 weeks gone today, Tom. My Auntie Annie in Swinford, her birthday's today. And my Auntie Winnie in Bray, her birthday's today. That's for you. Yeah, if you want to say it.
Well, I'm doing the same thing. I want to drink this old pint here from my sister Annie in Swinford. Her birthday. I don't know how old it's, but I wish you happy birthday, Annie. I didn't even know about your birthday. And plus, for my sister Winnie's day, their birthday is one day, and I wish you two the best. And I think this is my brother Tom and my brother Willie, and all my brothers I'm speaking to. I give one to my old soul brothers well and cut your ma. Good old friend of mine. Know me?
This ball here is from my Auntie Annie. Happy birthday, Annie. And also my other auntie as well, Winnie as well. Happy birthday. And also from my Auntie Mia as well. And my Uncle Tommy as well. One. Now, die here now.
I will cut someone's head with that. And I ain't go for the county when that is.
Yeah.
I now is quietly weeping. There's a tear in my eye. As he sent you to Gallipoli tonight. You look so young, I just stood there.
Oh, my father! I love him! And I kissed the ground he walked in!
You